You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. Well, even though there are different pronunciations. Now, yes, if you want to pronounce it from Spanish, it's pronounced Camilla, Camilla, but this is not really a Spanish name. It's more of an Etruscan name from Italy, central Italy originally, and it's pronounced more as Camilla. That's the more Italian pronunciation. And yes, indeed, you do have quite a lot of famous people who are named Camilla. Is the most common English pronunciation, as in Queen Camilla. You also have Camilla Cabello, Camilla Bell. Camilla is how it's pronounced. Charles and Camilla, for example, King Charles and Queen Camilla is how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.